Because water's not wet.
What are those?
Wet shoes, bro!
What is going on, squad? We are back with another video. I think I'm going to be meeting up with some of my friends to go to Ammonite Falls. It's a cool waterfall that's near Nanaimo. But before I do anything, I think I should get ready. Or, you know, get in some better clothes. So, I can do that right now. And we are ready.
See, they don't have it. Oh, never mind. Looking at the price, $800.
Ooh, tough. Kevin, what are your thoughts on the line? Feels bad. So we just got out of the parking lot to go to Ammonite, met up with the boys. Say what's up to the vlog, boys.
Hey, yo, what's up?
Hey, yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? What's up, other vloggers?
What's going on?
What's up, vlogception? Oh, look at Zanil. Stopping to get a picture for his Snapchat story. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Nolan Oster. Is it true that Bradley Martin sold drugs to you?
Yeah, dude, I got this with a kilo of black tar heroin. You know, it was kind of cut, but it was alright shit, you know, like, it went quick, but, you know, free t-shirt. Good customer service.
Yeah, he's pretty, yeah. Would recommend?
What a guy, yeah, would recommend.
Good, it's good to hear, good to hear.
It's kind of cut though, so be aware. I'm gonna build a Minecraft fort.
You want to build a Minecraft fort?
Yeah.
Want to build a dirt hut?
Dirt mansion?
Yes, sir.
Kobe!
So we made it down to the waterfalls. We're just kind of looking at the water. It's pretty loud. Yeah.
The water?
Yeah, just chilling.
The water's pretty wet.
It is. What is it, Nolan?
It's pretty wet. It's just...
Cap. Cap.
Yes, because water is not wet. Wet is just a past tense of something that water has touched. So therefore, water cannot be wet because it's in past tense.
You tell him. I got a question for you.
What's up?
What are those?
Wet shoes, bro! Yo!
What the fuck are you doing? So not even 5 minutes after Zanil got his shoes completely soaked, my friend Nolan decided to go complete X Games mode and go underneath the waterfall. Yeah, he got pretty soaked. Some guy thought it was pretty cool though, and decided to give him a beer for it. So, you know, can't go wrong. Had to hit him with a nice little head smash real quick. Let's go! And then after, I decided to get a cool shot of the waterfall, and as you can see, that did not turn out so well. But the drone is completely fine right now, and that's all that matters. So yeah, back to the video. And we are back. Oh, dabbing on them?
And so we went hiking, and we went into a waterfall, and then we flew a drone into a tree, and then the tree didn't like the drone, and then the drone went beep, into the water. And that's what happened.
Story time. As you can tell by that previous clip, we are back in the parking lot. Just got back from Ammonite Falls. And yeah, I think everyone's gonna go home. So I think this is the end of the video. So yeah, see you guys later.